Hi guys, so you're probably wondering how to hide transaction on the Chase app, okay? And I want to explain one thing. So if it is individual transactions on the Chase app that you want to hide, for security reasons, compliance reasons, due to regulations, okay, as this can make it easier to conceal fraud, usually it's not allowed, even by the government, right? But what you can do to, conceal I would say, or keep certain purchases private, such as using cash. You can use gift cards, you can use prepaid cards. These things will not appear in your bank statement. And for using a business account, you know, you can hide an account from your online profile to keep it private from others who might view the account list. But the statements, you just have to wait for 7 years because of compliance. They have to keep the records. Okay. So I hope you appreciate the honesty. And if this provided value to you, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.